Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw shiny Hisuain Braviary. I'm going to start with construction lines because it's pretty tricky. This is going to be the body, so just mapping that on. This is going to be roughly where the head's going to be. And I'm just mapping on roughly where all these things would be. I've got the head proportions, body's proportions looking pretty good. It's going to be a leg there. This leg's bigger. It comes down further. Think of this as a map. When you want to go somewhere, you type into your phone where you want to go, or your navman. This is my map. Created a map of where things are. It's time for the details. So starting with the beak. And that's the front of the beak. This is the back of the beak where it goes into the head, and then bring that up. Just going to bring that back a little bit. Nostril, there's a little shape here. Let's bring where the eye is going to sit in here. And then there's these little bits that come back, like little zigzags, and they come back around to here. And the eye is going to sit in there. So there's the eye. And then there's the pupil of the eye. And we've got this rounded sort of shape like this here that I can see. It's like a symbol. Hey, thanks Axton for your suggestion. What a cool challenge. And then you can only see a little bit of it on this side. So that's sort of same shape as that, but and then you're going to have the feathers look like flames. So just going to make them look a little bit like flames coming off. And then that joins back into there. Then we've got some little bits that come off the end, just like little flicks of flame, you know, like the little ash or the sparks that fly off when you have a fire. Zigzag that around, but see how I'm curving it out. A couple of little ones, a bigger one there. Now it's going to come back around. Now you can see how my map is helping me. If you didn't draw the map, that's okay. You just got to make sure that you're going to fit it on the page. Now it starts to come back down here. So here I'm going to bring some little bits back this way. Bring that out to there. Now he's got his body, there's a body line there. Now we're going to bring these ones back. Hope you're having a good time at home. Remember, the more you draw, the better you're going to get. Okay, the wing is going to come out here. And it kicks around like that, bends around. Now we've got an inner detail, so that's like and these are like little bumpy bits that come down and around. This is the body coming out, that's a big chest. And there's another line here, and then another line coming down to there. This is the leg, so bring the leg around. Now it has like some feathers, so to make it look like feathers we do some lines like this. We're going to do the same on the other leg, so bring this around. Feathers on this side come pike down that way, and then as they come down it goes back and around the other way. And then bring that leg out. It's got a pretty muscly leg, so bring that in. Now we've got a little bit that comes up to there, and then another bit that comes up to there. Now see how the map is definitely helping me? And then bring this out. Well, he's got a little one there, and then this is basically a straight line with a few of these coming back like that. Now these two are a bit longer, so one comes down, some little pointy bits like so. Now the feet curves around like so, There's one toe. Let's draw this middle toe coming up, and it's a curved shape like this. There, and then we've got this other toe. There's 3 toes, and then this is the toenail. We're looking sort of straight at it, and it comes around. This is the bottom of the foot, and then this is the back of the toe, and then that comes down and around like that with a little spiky bit out there. Then we've got these claws, 1, 2, or talons, whatever they call them, and then we've got this other foot coming down and around out like that. Bring that down, it bumps around. This is more side on, so we're going to bring that all the way up and through. One there, one there, one there, like so. You don't see the third one. You could put that on if you wanted, but you don't see it in this picture that I'm looking at. Now we've got the last wing to go. All right, so it comes up and around, and then it sort of kicks in there, bends around, and then comes out like that. Practice your curves and you'll do a really good job. Okay, I'm going to start up here because it comes zigzags for a bit, and then it has this little bit that comes down, and then these feathers come back the other way, all the way to the end there like that. All right, this is like a zigzag, zigzag, zigzag it up and down, zigzag, 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 all the way across to there. Then we have another one, up, down, up, and we're following this up and around here. As we come around, we'll get them smaller. There we go. Shiny Hisuain Braviary.